In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the page that you want to take screenshot of. Once you're over there, now what you have to do is just press the side button and the volume up button at the same time. Once you take the screenshot, you can immediately edit it or add drawings and text using Markup. If you have Apple Intelligence enabled on your supported device, you can also tap X to get information about what's on the screen. You can touch and hold text to use highlight to search, or tap search to find similar items on the web. If you decide you don't want the screenshot, tap close to delete it at the top left. If you want to save it, all you have to do is click on the tick mark icon given at the top right. Different options will appear. Click on the option Save to Photos. And your screenshot will be stored in the Photos app so you can view it anytime. And that's it. This way you can easily capture iPhone screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.